Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is going to be a collective haul of different things that I've purchased over the past 2 months or so, and I have stopped shopping like crazy like I used to do. If you watched my videos from before, you know that I am known to do these massive hauls from like one store, especially if that store had a sale. That would always lure me in, and I could not resist a good sale. It's almost like an addiction, you know. It was a shopaholic. I couldn't resist it. It made me feel a burst of happiness for a very short time, and then I would be having all this clutter and chaos in my house, and I would end up having things that I didn't need, or had so many things that I couldn't even use them. And I would feel so guilty that I am wasting all these products. So I gave a lot away. I decluttered, and some of them I'm putting in a giveaway if they're brand new. And I feel so much better now. Now I only purchase things that I truly need or want. If I research them, if I don't just impulsively shop anymore. I try to be very mindful and thoughtful and see if do I really think I'll be using it, or is it because it's a good price or it's on sale, or cute packaging or something like that. That's an update on my shopping habits. Now I will show you the things that I bought, and that's why I'm not going to do these crazy hauls anymore with all these things brand new, because I actually have been using these. It's impossible for me to purchase and stash them away until I do a video and not use them, because like I said, I buy things that I truly need or want, and I'm definitely going to be using it. So that's why some of these things are already used, and actually I can give you a quick opinion and a little review, because I have tried them out. So I think that if anything, it will be a little more useful. So let's start with these teeth whitening strips. This is called Ultra Vibrant Whitening Strips. They're comparable to Crest. I got them at Target, and I paid about $15 for them, which is a lot cheaper than Crest whitening strips. There's 12 of these here, and I've tried a few of them already, and I think they actually do work. As opposed to these that I purchased on Amazon, they were like around $10. They're called Pan Boo Teeth Whitening Pan. They work a little bit in terms of like stain removal. They do a little bit of that, but I didn't notice any crazy whitening or anything like that, or any even like noticeable whitening. So that was disappointing. I would probably not recommend it. Even though they had 5-star reviews. Up next, I'll show you some things for my hair care. I've been really trying to grow out my hair, which I think it's actually just a tiny bit at the end. This is my natural hair color. Because of the pandemic, everything was closed, shutting down, and I didn't have a chance to color my hair. I used to do highlights like crazy. I did highlights for a few years where I actually turned into a blonde, and that truly damaged my hair like badly. I'm so happy that I decided to grow it out, because I feel so much happier with my hair right now. It's a lot shinier. It's not breaking. It still has a tiny bit of damage at the end, but I think once I get another haircut, it should all come off, and I finally will just have my natural hair color without any like bleach. So I started to really try and care for it now, and actually, I watched this YouTuber, I forgot her name, but I'll try to link her channel down below. And this is where I got an idea for most of these products. Like, for example, she did recommend this Arvazalia Hydrating Argan Oil Mask, and I used it up. Like, I almost am out of it, and I definitely need to repurchase it. It smells amazing, and it makes my hair look shiny, feel so much like sleeker and healthier, very easy to brush. They do recommend using it once a week. So I've had it for about 2 months now, and it still is there. But yeah, that mask is amazing, and I think it was around $12 to $15. I will link everything down below. Next thing is castor oil. And I never, like, I've heard of benefits of castor oil, but I honestly never like thought to try it on my hair. I thought people use it on their skin, but this girl recommended using it for the hair, and it's mainly like do mask once a month. And it's like you just put it on roots, and you have it for an hour before you take a shower, before you wash your hair. And it did really help in terms of my hair growth. I think it actually made it also healthier and grow faster. Now, when you use a castor oil, you definitely need a good shampoo to wash it off, because if you don't, it's gonna like leave that greasy residue, which I hate. And so these are the two shampoos that are amazing for just cleansing, clarifying. And one is Aveeno. It's called Clarify and Shine shampoo. The other one is Olaplex number 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying shampoo. Now this was a lot more expensive compared to Aveeno, but both of them are pretty good. I purchased two of them just to see which one I like better. And I don't even know. Now I do like the fact that this is like bonding, because I do need like my ends still are a bit unhealthy, and they do have like, the split at the end. And so that actually has been helping me with that, with the like split ends, which I really like. But in terms of taking castor oil off, taking like that greasy feeling off, both of them work amazing. Like another thing that I got for my hair is Amica, the Wizard Detangling Primer. Amica products smell so good. I absolutely love them. And this one does work very well in just keeping my hair like easy to brush through. One last thing for my hair, I believe, is this little brush. It was pretty affordable, around $6 or so. It's the Hita hair scalp massage shampoo brush. I use it at different times. So for example, when I use the castor oil mask, I apply the castor oil, and then I kind of massage it through, make sure that it kind of spreads throughout my scalp and hair. And then I also use it when I shampoo, just to give myself a massage. Next, I wanted to show you some skincare products that I recently purchased. I got the Cosara X, the vitamin C23. Now it's a serum, and it's the hyaluronic acid serum with vitamin E in there and vitamin C. It works so good. I mean, it makes my skin feel amazing. It does create a little bit of tingling, and it's like pretty liquidy, so you have to be careful when applying it, but you don't need a lot of it. And I like used it for a few times, and oh my god, you guys, I highly recommend this. It's amazing. This is a Korean brand. They really do deliver it. I can see why people love it so much. And this brand is so affordable too, and I'm so impressed that they deliver such good results with affordable prices like that. My skin looked a lot healthier after I started using it. Pores were shrinking a little bit, and also I do have a little bit of the dark spots, because whenever I'm out in the sun, I start to develop like little freckles and dark spots, and it does started to lighten them up as well. So very happy about that. Now, another thing by that same brand, it's like a little kit, all about snail kit. It has like everything. It has the cream, eye cream, face cream, and cleanser, and I think like serum as well. I wanted to get it to test it out. So far, I do like it, but I like the other serum that I just showed you a lot better. I do like the cleanser though. The creams don't smell too good, but the cleanser somehow smells really amazing. I also wanted to try the rice toner. Again, I've heard amazing things about this, and I got curious. I read the reviews. They were great. I also heard another YouTuber mention it. Sorry, I'm gonna totally mispronounce it. It's the Yeoju Korea. What I really like about Korean brands is that they actually put expiration date on it, because American companies don't do that at all. And you know, you could have these skincare products that possibly were sitting out there in a warehouse for God knows how long, and then you get them and they sit here, you know, in your house, or they sit also in the store, and then they might be like a couple years old. So I truly do appreciate the fact that they have expiration dates on it. Then I also got the advanced snail mucin gel cleanser, because I really like the travel size one, and I figured I wanted to get this one right away, because I noticed that the one time it was like sold out when it was sitting in my cart. So when it got back in stock, I was like, I'm just gonna get it because I really do like it. One last skincare thing I got is the Propolis Light Ampoule. It's again by the same company, CosRX. Very affordable, and I haven't tried this yet. I'm very curious to try it because I've tried a few different Propolis products before, and I truly do know that they make a difference. I tried a few different serums for my lash growth. I used Grande Lashes, and I went through 2 bottles actually. The first bottle helped me pretty significantly. And then when I started using the second one, I actually did not notice as good of results. And I don't know if it's the formula difference, or is it because, I don't know, if lashes can develop tolerance to it. I have no idea, but it just didn't help much at all. So I figured, let me try this. This company kept on showing up on my Instagram feed, and oh my god, the girls in the ad had crazy lashes, like really long lashes, and they swear that this is what gave them those lashes. I know that a lot of the advertisements on social media, they are like, a lot of ads are not really true, and I did fall victim to a lot of these before, when I had my shopaholic, and I was like very impulsive, and I was like, oh my god, I need to get it before this ad disappears and I cannot find that product anymore, which a lot of it was crap. But it started then looking down the comments, also searching on YouTube and see if anybody else reviewed it before, and yeah, they actually did have a lot of positive reviews. And in the comments too, people were saying that it does work. So I did start to use it. I've been using it for, I want to say, a little over a week now, and so far I already noticed that my lashes are a lot longer than they were before. I don't know, I actually maybe do notice a little bit of them having a little more fullness to it, because they don't fall out as often anymore. Now, I think they said the results are going to be most visible in a few weeks, so I'm still waiting, but I can already tell you this thing is amazing, and it's a lot cheaper than Grande Lashes. Okay, almost done, you guys. I purchased the e.l.f. Big Mood Mega Volume Mascara. Wanted to give it a try. I've been really searching for a good mascara lately. I got this one by LA Girl, very affordable. It's called Volumatic Full On Volumizing Lash Lifting Mascara. It's the one with, I forgot how you call it. It's like the fibers or something, you know, where it coats your lashes and like into these little tubes, and when you wash it off, it literally comes out as like chunks or little tubes off your lashes. You can like take them out. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys probably know what I'm talking about if you tried it before. I would say it's more of lengthening in a mascara. It doesn't really increase my volume. It does help with length though. Let me just open this e.l.f. mascara as well. I didn't try it yet. I just recently got it. How do you take it? Oh my god. Of course I'll be struggling with it. Jesus Christ, it's like stuck in there. Okay. So it's very cute packaging. I really like the chrome look. Now this brush looks more like volumizing. Don't know how to pronounce the word. I know I say it weirdly. Now I forgot to show you these little things. It's the tweezers by Tomata. I think they were about $8 or $9, and I really like the fact that they're colorful and have different shapes. Alright guys, that's it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye!